Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, I am here on my roof and you can see the Dobby. He is always with me whenever I go. So he always with me and he is peeping. You can see he's very naughty. Actually he's very naughty. Okay, so I am here on my roof because I really want to come on my roof because I want to hear birds chirping. I want to see sunrise. So you can see the sunrise. You can see the sunrise and sun is rising slowly. So yes, you can see. So yes, I am a morning person. So I generally want to see all the things because it's a vacation time, winter vacation time. So I don't have so much work in my morning time, and okay, I will do all my morning work after this, and so that's all I generally want to come on my roof for watching sun rising, for hearing birds sounds, and also weather. You can see the weather everywhere is fog, but after some time, because sun is rising slowly, so after some time it's a sunny day. I think it's sunny day. Weather will disappear after this. So friends, I am here on my roof, and it's very good time for me, and after that I will do some stretching exercise because all the exercise are going to help me to fit and to remain me fit and fine. Okay, so friends, let's talk about something in English, and okay. So I have received so many messages from your side, and in every messages there was only one question, and like ma'am, how did you learn this language? And I think you was a convent student, so that's why you learned this language so easily, so quickly. So friends, I just want to tell you one thing. Like I was not a convent student. I was a Hindi medium student, and yes, I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium in a government school. But I was good in study, so. My all friends were going to convent school, English medium school. Actually, I was good in study, and but what happened, there was a inferiority complex in front of me, inside my heart. There was a inferiority complex inside my heart. So whenever we all my friends talk to each other, so I feel very embarrassed because I don't know how to speak in English. Even I don't speak I didn't speak a single word in English in front of them. Through I was good, even I was good in study, but because not knowing how to speak in English, I feel embarrassed. Okay, so that was the thing in my schooling time. But after some times, and I got married and I got a job, okay, in a private, in a government sector. So yes, I feel why not learn this language again. But yes, there was only same problem. Like I got a job in a rural village, and I teach student. I taught student where all the students come in a rural family, like a village. So yes, the problem was the same. I have no opportunity to learn this language. I had no opportunity to learn this language. So after my all the things happened, I actually, my kids were grown up. So I thought, okay, now I have lots of time. Why not start learning this language? Because I am a such kind of person who try to learn new skill every time. So yes, this is the desire from my childhood. So I thought, why not use this Android phone? Because we have a Android phone. Everyone have a Android phone, and it's a necessity in this time. Okay, so I thought, why not learn this language by using this Android phone? So I started listening different kind of content in English every day, and I started listening more. I think in a summer vacation, and I had lot of time So I started to listen different kind of content in English, and like interviews, like commentary, like okay, different kind of content. After listening 1 or 2 months, I observe everything, because I know some grammar rules in English, everything, but because of not having practice speaking in English, so I was not able to speak. So I thought, okay, I listened too much content in English, but without speaking I can't speak in English, I can't learn this language. So what I did, I started to speak in English. So this is the thing that I did. I made a channel on English with Desi madam, and I started to practice in English, and at that time I was recorded my video. Okay. So I uploaded all the video on this channel, and since I was not good in English, even I uploaded all the videos on this channel. And if you haven't watched my previous video, then go and check out my previous video. Every video I was making different kind of mistakes in every videos, but what I did, I didn't give up. This is a thing that is very important, and that is consistency. Okay. Even a single day I did not skip a single day. I keep practicing. Okay, each and every day. And yes, there was no hesitation in front of me. I was not thinking that thing, okay, what if people will watch my video, so they will mock of my English, they will laugh at my English. I didn't think this type of thing. I just started to uploaded all the videos every day, practicing videos. And yes, in this way I got confidence in English. I thought, okay, it's very easy, I can easily speak in English. And yes, I have never I had never told someone, then please watch my video and this is my channel. Never. Okay, after 2 or 3 months, because I am a teacher, so I have to go school each and every day. Also, after coming from the school, so I have some work in my house. So yes, I got I get a lot of I did not get a lot of time. So even 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes. So yes, I did practicing each and every day. So this is the thing that I did. And yes, still I was making different kind of mistakes. So yes, I can say there are two things that I did, like listening and speaking. Okay, when you are listening some content in English, so you are consuming lot of content in English, you are consuming lot of information in your mind, but listening is not going to help you. I just share with you my experience. What I did, I listened same content minimum 10 times. Okay, what I did, why I did this thing, because I heard, and because I am a teacher, so I know when I teach I students. So yes, there is a problem, like okay, read this pages minimum 10 times. Okay, listen this poem minimum 10 times. Why? Because language is come by the imitation. Okay, and yes, English is also a language. So yes, for learning this language, we have to follow all the tips method that all the children are following while they are learning this new language. So I did the same. I followed all the thing for learning this language. I mean to say, I listen one content, but same content minimum 10 times, and not the different one. And when I read one page in English, so I read one page English, but minimum 10 times, not different one. So yes, this is the thing that I did. So I consume a lot of content in English. After that, I started to speak out, and it is very difficult to give output, because when we are consuming some content in English, so it's very easy actually. Okay, we are understanding all the thing in English, and we are just consuming. But when it comes to give our output, so we feel terrified, we feel, okay, it's very difficult, okay, it's very difficult language, I can't speak in English. But my dear friend, without giving your output, you can't learn this language. So this is a main thing for learning this language. Without speaking English, you can't learn this language. I know there are so many people, they are PhD in this language, but they don't know how to speak in English clearly and correctly. Okay, when it comes to write, so they can write very clearly or correctly, because there is some time to think about sentence rules and different types correction. But for speaking, we have to quick response. I mean to say, there is no time to thinking too much, and it will come to you when you do practice each and every day. So yes, there is a problem, like we did not give so much practice, and because of this reason we are not habitual to speak in English. Okay. So this is the thing. Now this is my experience, what I did. And yes, I started to listen so much content in English and try to speak out whenever I get some time. So I try to speak out loud. And yes, there was no one who is going to judge me. After that, what I did actually, this is a thing that we have to do for learning this language. But confidence will come when you do real conversation with someone. Okay, this is a real fact. So yes, after that I have also a problem, like I have no one with whom I can practice in English. So what I did, I started to searching some free apps where we can easily do conversation. And then I found two apps, and these two apps are very helpful. So I'm going to give you two apps name. Like first app is PeerUp, and here you can go and download this application from the Play Store, and it is free and cost actually. AI version is and there is demanding some money, but you can talk to real person in a free. Okay, now let's talk about the second app that is very important, and second app name is SIVI. Okay, and same, you can download this application from the Play Store, and you can talk to real person. Unlimited time, there is no any limitation, and there is no any foundation for timing. Okay, you can talk to real person. And yes, there is best thing that I found, that okay, you can do conversation and there is no one who can judge you. Actually, you don't know who is talking to you. And actually we feel embarrassed when we know in front of me someone we know very well, so we feel very embarrassed. But if we don't know who is someone, okay, you just need to talk to him. You just try to do conversation with him or her, because you want to enhance your English fluency. So that's why you can do conversation. But okay, there is no any challenge in front of you, like someone will mock you, someone will laugh at your English. Okay, so yes, these are something that will give you confidence, and these are something that gave me confidence in English. So I am here in front of you. I am easily I am not claiming anywhere that I am perfect in English. Still I am making different kind of mistakes in English each and every day. But I just know one thing, that English is language, and it's a lifelong process. We learn this language by every day observing, by every day listening, reading, writing, and also speaking. Speaking is very important, very very important. So without speak, you can't learn this language. So more you listen, better you become fluent in English, better you speak in English. Okay, so yes, this is the best way to learn this language. I mean to say, you at last you are the one who is going to work on it. Okay, it doesn't matter how many books you have, how many English content you have, how many friends you have, and they can easily speak in English. But without giving your output, you are the one that you have to give your output. I mean to say, you are the one who is going to speak in English. Without speaking, you can't learn this language. So it is connect with your mentality. I mean to say, medium doesn't matter, your surrounding doesn't matter. The matter is, what is your mindset. Okay, what is your mindset? So just take this challenge and prepare your mind like, yes, I'm going to learn this language no matter what. If someone laugh at me, I'm not going to worry about it. So yes, this is the thing that I did, and that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. And I hope you like my video, you like my experience. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram. Jai Siya Ram. You can see the Dobby, he's sitting. Okay, and you can see okay, there is a cloud, and the sun is behind the cloud, but okay, it will take some time. And the sun, you can see there is a, it seems like a, moon. The sun seems like a moon. Okay, so friends, Jai Siya Ram.